50% of market share as on date, and currently we are doing a business of around 750 crores. We are expecting with this kind of support from the organizations, with this kind of support given to the market, the channel partners, we are expecting to grow by around by 1,000 crores in another maybe a year or so. By 2023, we will be expecting a turnover of 1,000 crores. We have a very strong channel, in fact. In South, if I particularly speak about South, we have currently associated with some 200 channels, 200 channel partners. And Tamil Nadu, if I specifically speak about Tamil Nadu, we have some 70 channel partners associated with us right now, and probably 12 to 13,000 dealer network, that is end retailers we have as on date. So by saying this, see, Pro Kabaddi League, why we associated with this Pro Kabaddi League? The industry, we were into IPLs and all, right? In fact, if you say about 3 years, 4 years back, we have associated with IPL. IPL was something which is widely accepted by everyone. Kabaddi League, in fact, if you compare it with IPL, it is slightly lesser than that. Still, people are there down in B and C category cities where they like to see these matches, the Kabaddi matches. And we are, for our organization also, we are focusing towards rural India, rural market. We are focusing towards B category towns, C category towns from now, because we are already there in all the major cities. Now the focus is towards the smaller towns, the tehsil markets and all. So these association will help a lot for us to increase our our footage in these smaller markets. So this will be a great association for us as on date. Probably it's a 3 months program altogether. It's a 3 months program. Yes, because the players are not available here because they are all into bio bubble, so they are not allowed to go out of Bangalore. So that is the reason why they are not here. So probably this will have a greater impact for us once the association is already came to front. It will be a wonderful association, in fact. So that's it.
Just to add on, what you will also see is, we're not just associating with them on their jerseys. We're also launching a nationwide media campaign across 360 degrees. So you will see us on TV, you will see us in digital, you will see us across hoardings and everything across the key markets that we have. Luminous as a brand and as a business, we are all about doing new things. So, while Sujit was talking about the comparison between IPL and PKL, I also wanted to say that this is very first time that somebody in our category is even thinking like this. Doing something which is, see, Kabaddi as a sport is close to heart of India. This is something that I think we all have played as kids. We've grown up seeing it around us. This is something that we feel very strongly about, but maybe people in the urban centers are not necessarily seeing it, though media numbers are claiming otherwise. And this year I would urge all of you to please watch. It's coming back after 2 years. The players are also extremely excited. We've been in touch with the team and they've been talking about it as well. And they're all geared up to deliver a good performance. Just like new things that we want to keep doing, they are also talking about the same. If I can also take a minute of yours, it has an integrated battery compartment, which is why the battery right there in front of it actually goes inside it. It's beautiful looking. We've started selling it, so we've got initial consumer feedback on it, which is very, very positive. People haven't seen something like this in the market, and instead of hiding it under the staircase, which I think a lot of people do, the inverter is finding its place in the drawing room now. That's the kind of difference that we believe we want to make to the market. Luminous Solar has been growing phenomenally as well. And I think South has been a very, very strong market for solar business as well for us, because people here also are, very rational, and they look at the pros and cons of making their purchase decisions very intelligently. And solar is a phenomenally great investment to build, not just for your own, saving on your own electricity bills, but even contributing to the environmental causes and everything. So that's been our journey in the South. At this point, maybe we should open up for any questions. any
போட்டியாளர்கள் இருப்பாங்க புதுசாக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கிறீங்களா தமிழ்நாட்டில் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ முன்னுரிமை பண்ணுறீங்க?
Selection and all. In fact, see, as Ruchika rightly said, the reason behind why we selected Tamil Talaivas is we want to have a regional connect towards South, right? So this will help you. The question you asked, in fact, we will not measure in terms of sales here, right? Yes, sales is a part of it. I'm not saying sales is not important. Sales is a part of it. But what we will think about is to reach to the lowest level, in fact, of the customer mindset. So customer mind should purchase this brand, luminous brand, in their mind, in fact, right? So that is what we are looking for, to have a mind share with everyone, right? With the end customers. We are not part of, selection board at all. We are not part of that. We are just sponsoring the brand. So we are just associating with them.
இல்லை நான் என்ன கேட்டேன், தேர்வுகள்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குன்றாங்க.
அதுதான் சார். ஆக்சுவலாக அதில் நாம எதுவும் இன்வால்வ் ஆகல. நம்ம டீம், அவங்க கோச், அந்த விஷயங்கள் அவங்க நம்ம அதில் தலையிட போகுது. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக
We are not a part of that.
ஓகே.
that's we don't know enough. How can we choose people?
We are not technically fit for that, in fact.
ஸோ மெயினாக நம்ம ஏன் கபடிக்கு வந்திருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா, இங்கே கேம் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் கிரிக்கெட், தமிழ்நாட்டுல நேஷனல் வைடாக பெரிய மேட்ச். அதுக்கு அடுத்து நம்மளோட கேம் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா தமிழ்நாடு பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் கபடி. நம்ம இன்னும் இங்கேருந்து கன்னியாகுமரியோட ரூரல், ரொம்ப டீப் ரூரல் வரைக்கும் நம்ம ரீச் பண்ண நினைக்கிறோம். அங்குள்ள ஆளுங்களுக்கு ரீச் பண்ண முடியும்னா கபடி இது பெரிய கேம். பேசிக்கலி நானும் ரூரல் தெரியும், இன்னும் அங்கே கபடி விளையாட்டுருக்காங்க. ஸோ அது ஒரு பெரிய கேம். ஸோ இது மூலமா அவங்க லெவலுக்கு நம்ம பிராண்ட் ஏற்கனவே நிறைய பேர் தெரியும், இன்னும் அதிகமான பேருக்கு ரீச் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான்.
லூமினாஸ் ஒரு கடந்த ஆண்டுகளில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் வந்து சரியில்லைன்னு நிறைய பேர் கம்ப்ளைண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறீங்க?
கண்டிப்பா சார். ஆக்சுவலா அப்போ நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருந்தது, அதை சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு தான் கடந்த ஒரு வருஷமா நாங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ணி நிறைய சால்வ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க சார். இன்னும் நிறைய டீம் நாங்கள் அதுக்காக ஆட் பண்றோம். சர்வீஸ் சம்பந்தமா நிறைய டீம் ஆட் பண்றோம்.
உங்களுக்கு சேல்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கு, சர்வீஸ் கம்மியாக இருக்குன்னு ஒரு கம்ப்ளைண்ட்.
இல்லை அதுதான் சொல்றாங்க. ஆக்சுவலா சேல்ஸ் எதிர்பார்த்த விட அதிகமானதுனால நாங்கள் சர்வீஸ் கம்மியாச்சு. நீங்க அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். மற்றதுக்கு கம்பேரிஷன் நான் சொல்றேன். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம அந்த டீம் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். நிறைய அதுக்கான பிளான்ஸ் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் அந்த மாதிரி இஷ்யூஸ் வெளியே இருக்காது.
So, in fact, I'll tell you, in 2019 we had this issue. In fact, we had some service problems coming in. After that, we have added a dedicated team for that, and we have added on some specialists also. For example, for solar, we have some solar experts in the service team as well. So we have added many people in it, and many manpower in that segment, in fact. And if I speak about the service centers, we have added it, and right now we have around 150 service centers across South as of now, and 250 engineers are in the market for South alone. So we have added almost 40% incremental in manpower is there to cater this situation, in fact. So right now this is not the situation. It was probably in the end of 2019. This was an issue for us also. We have taken care of that actually. Thank you.
We didn't speak about as we should as a brand. As a part of our commitment to South, one of the biggest things that has always been just availability of all the products, right? So as we speak right now, and in fact Sujit will be maybe talking about it maybe a month later or so, but our regional warehouse at Hosur, which is a huge warehouse, is getting worked on, and it's going to get launched within this month. And that's the so it's not just about doing a sponsorship or something. We are making sure that our products are going to be available first and available on time to the consumers everywhere. And the logistics from sending them from north-based factories was taking too long. Hence, the warehousing here has been really strongly geared up at that.
It doesn't sound like symbiotic in the sense you guys say that you are associating with Tamil Talaivas so that you can associate with the people in the south. So what do the Tamil Talaivas stand to gain by associating with you? I mean, in what ways are you guys going to help Tamil Talaivas, or it's just that will you be like taking their brand name, like taking the Tamil Talaivas brand name to the north or something like that?
Absolutely. I was just
Isn't symbiotic at all is what I'm asking.
So
Yeah.
you're absolutely right, and that is exactly what we are doing. So we are taking it on national media. Our ads have all, the end slates have been changed to say that Luminous is the sponsor of Tamil Talaiva, which has not been done for something like a PKL team before at all. So, I mean, I didn't want to say that, because it just sounds like I'm bragging or something, but we're not doing it just on paper. So from day after tomorrow when the matches start on Star Sports, which is the biggest sports channel, across all their feeds, you will see, our ads going out. In fact, coincidentally, I can't claim that we made the ad like that, but coincidentally, our ad is also all about kabaddi. So we're not just talking about it. We'll be, in fact, our digital campaigns are also all India, and we are taking Tamil Talaiva completely national.
And will you be helping them financially or something?
See, the sponsorships are all exactly financial transactions only, right? So
Right.
it is
Yeah.
it is already done.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Competitions to Tamil Talaiva.
That was one thing that we did have a discussion on, and I'm sure you all know, if some of you are aware of some of the teams at U Mumbai, the Bombay team has done very well. There are a couple of other teams which have had very consistent performance, and unfortunately, so far for Tamil Talaiva, they haven't had a very great victory, so far in the seasons, this day. But let me be very honest, I really feel that our choice was based on our heart, not our brain. It was pretty much driven by not the fact that we wanted to back the winning team, but we wanted to back the team that we felt, we could associate the best with, and it would work from the kind of association that we want to strike. So, if I had done it with a winning team, it would have been a different experience, and I'm sure that would also have been fun. But taking a team which is still growing and then making it big is what we would love to do, with our support.
Did you monitoring opponents' teams practice and how they will perform on stage?
From day after tomorrow, yes, closely monitoring everybody's performance for sure. I think honestly the players themselves don't know what it is going to be like, because they have not done this whole bio bubble thing, which I think the cricket teams have all been very used to. But it is a long time. They are going to be in the same bio bubble for 3.5 months. It's not easy, to be like that. So seriously, hats off to the efforts that all the players are putting in, and I'm pretty sure they will put in their best.
How strong Tamil Talaiva in this time?
I'm sorry?
How strong is in this time Tamil Talaiva?
I believe they have taken on a couple of players that they are very, very, kind of optimistic about. I'm really sorry I can't tell you the names of those players. I'm not very familiar with the names. But when we spoke to the team manager, because we are only interacting with the team management, and when we spoke to them, they were very positive about, being able to put up a very, very strong show this year.
They are not active in those 2 years, so it's a disadvantage to Tamil Talaiva.
I'm sorry?
They are not in touch with 2 years, no?
Yeah. Absolutely. But now they've been in a camp. All the teams actually have been in camps to build up, their practice and everything. But I think, see, these are very unprecedented times, right? COVID has changed the world as we know it, and these are not things which were in anybody's control. But now that things are looking a little better than before, let's hope for the best.
All the best.
Thank you. So on that note, let's do the unveiling.
So we'll unveil the branding, in fact, the Luminous, right?
லைட் இருக்கும் அதுக்கப்புறம் க்ளோஸ்
So if there is no further questions, thank you very much for joining us. In fact, even in a very short notice.
Good afternoon. I'm Ruchika from Luminous. We are here today to announce the association of Luminous brand with Tamil Talaivas in the Pro Kabaddi League. We are very excited about this association and we are looking forward to a strong performance from them. This association is, from our side, is driven from the fact that we want to drive our association in the South market very strongly, specifically Tamil Nadu. And we are a strong player in the South already, but we feel that there is stronger potential for us to grow here. And from our current about 700-800 crores of business, we are looking forward to growing 2,000 crores plus within the very short while of maybe within 2 years. And so, looking forward to all your support in driving this association.
சார் நீங்கள் தமிழில்
நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சாரி ஸோ நம்ம தமிழ்நாடோட அடுத்த கார்னர் வரைக்கும் ரீச் பண்ண நினைக்கிறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கான ஒரு கேமாக கபடியை ஃபீல் பண்ணுறோம். அதனால் கபடி டீமோட ஸ்பான்சர்ஷிப் நம்ம மட்டும் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி வி ஆர் ஸ்ட்ராங் இன் தமிழ்நாட்டில் நம்ம ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கோம். இன்னும் ரீச்